long as it normally is in prior weeks, Ken, but certainly making the trip there. QSL?
Hey, QSL, very good. Yes, we did speak, I believe it was last week there, and the propagations have been a little bit better, but many stations on the 555 here this morning, I guess because the weekend's bringing out the operators. It's good making contact over into your country again, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Ken, 100% there. 100% Ken. It was just Ken's radio, Ken, using different transceiver from our last QSO. Working the Yaesu Fox Tango 1000 Delta. 200 whiskies on our back. And the microphone is the Adonis Alpha Mic 308 condenser microphone. The antenna is the same, the IMAX 2000 vertical. 20 feet above ground level, Ken. QSL.
Hey, QSL, Peter. Well, that Yazoo's got a really good audio. It's got some really good audio coming out of it. No problems whatsoever. That IMAX is doing you an excellent job, and the Yazoo's with the setup that you have has really good, excellent audio. And I'm still talking on the same radio, the President Jackson export radio with the Turner Super Sidekick. Also using the ground plane myself, the Antron 99, about 25 feet in the air. The QSL?
Yeah, QSL can, yeah, it's working very well there. Very well. Propagation is up and down a small bit there, but you're certainly making the trip there. Hopefully, as the day progresses there, the propagation will get a little bit stronger there. And with a little bit more punch into the ears, and you know what I mean. The conditions here is terrible today. Very overcast, ranging about 8 to 10 degrees, and very wet and windy conditions, Ken. QSL.
Hey, QSL on the windy conditions. Well, we had the other night, Thursday. Thursday started in the evening time. We had some rain come through. Kind of got windy, and it wasn't warm enough to cause any major tornadic activity, but it was windy, and we wondered if it was going to hinder the conditions, the propagations, and it seems like it never really did. It still opened back up. Sometimes when we get the rain and afterwards, our propagation's not very good, but so we just glad we still got some propagations there. QSL?
QSL can 100% there. You are fluctuating up and down there, and there's a little bit QSB on your last over there. Very high winds here over the last couple of weeks. We did have a little England, United Kingdom there during the week, but we missed it in this location there, but the south of England got it quite bad. Very heavy rain and high winds there, so we missed it. We missed it anyway. We didn't have too much back conditions, but yesterday now it's been spectacular, but what can we expect this time of the year? November is still quite good and mild. QSL?
Hey, QSL, yes, I did see where England had some real bad weather down there. Several days ago, got pretty rough on everybody's end. I talked to an operator, and he was telling me about it. There's Miss Tim over there in England, so it's one of those deals you got to definitely be careful. You dropped down also on the last one there. I think we're getting ready to lose each other there before long there. QSL, back to you.
That's 100%. And have a good Sunday, good Saturday, I should say, and good weekend. And remember you look after you and the family, Ken, and it's always a pleasure talking to you, Ken. And anytime you hear me, give me a shout, and we'll always return the call there. So, and this is the acting there from 29 International Radio, 706 Peter Interland. Charlie, thanks, Ken. Bye for now.
Okay, Peter, very good. I got that 100%. It definitely is going to change on us, and it's always good making contact with you. Good hearing you again. Like I said, Yazoo's doing you an excellent job. Good luck on your DX, your propagation this weekend. All the good numbers to you, and when you hear me in there, give me a shout back also. It's always good to talk to you. 29 International Radio, 706 in Dublin, Ireland. Take care. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey, 014, State of Tennessee, USA. We thank you, Peter.
Have a good day. I'll talk to you again. Bye for now. Anyone else there on 635 for International Radio 706? We're standing by.